Hello guys, today I am ill, so I'm not going to discuss any topic. I just want to share a resource which a friend told me. It's a GitHub student pack. So just search GitHub student pack and it's loading. So just click on first link given here, GitHub student developer pack. So it redirects the education page. Now, first of all, I want to tell you why I am sharing with you. Why I am sharing with you? It's because if you are selected or by them, then you will get at least $1,000 free subscription. So they have some material they have some material of training, and for maybe have domain one year domain name free, and most of other tools you will get some courses, and as well as hosting resources and servers. So how to enroll here? So sorry. So just click here students. Actually I am so ill, so I'm unable to prepare today the content for you. So yeah, get benefits for student, click at that button. You will be redirected towards that page where you have to select an student. If you are a student at somewhere, and you have to select your email ID, and because you have means we have not .edu mail, so we have to give them a proof which shows that you are still pursuing your curriculum, means you are still a student. So you can share with them your identity card or your fee slip, and then type here your school name, and then tell them how you are going to use that plan and submit that information. Actually I can't request again because I am already submitted. You can see here yesterday I submitted. So that's it. I have I want that you will make use that resource, so you can develop something, and it's same with me. So thank you. That's it for today. Then we will meet tomorrow with new energy, and I hope I will not in same situation as I am today. So thank you and have a nice day. And last thing, please share that resource to them who are actually deserve this. I want to share you. So thank you and have a nice day.